Are you looking for the best electric wheelchair? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best electric wheelchairs that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Porto Mobility Powerful Electric Wheelchair. The Porto Mobility Ranger D09 is another amazing electric wheelchair choice. Just as easily foldable as the EZ Light Cruiser DX12 and also made by a reliable US company with 24/7 customer support. This electric wheelchair is very comfortable, handles all surfaces with ease, and can make great stable sharp turns. The dual batteries last a long time, and even when they're running low the wheelchair still chugs along just fine. Even when going up accessibility ramps. The only reason the Porto Mobility Ranger D09 was not our top pick is that the cushion, whilst comfortable, affects the wheelchair's compactness when folded, and the joystick controls can take some getting used to. However, with 37 reviews on Amazon earning it a full 5-star rating, it's easy to see how this portable power wheelchair is such a great choice. Porto Mobility Ranger D09 key features. Lightweight. 50 pounds, without battery. Weight capacity of 396 pounds, but note 18.53 seat width. Turning radius of 333. Great customer service based in the USA. Easy to fold and unfold. 5 stars over 37 reviews. Number 2. Centire Medforza FCX Deluxe Power Mobility Aid Wheelchair. The Centire Medforza D09 Deluxe was not our top pick, however, this heavy-duty electric wheelchair really is an amazing machine. The build quality on this wheelchair is almost unbelievably good, and that's probably part of the reason why it can safely support users up to 180 kilograms or 396 pounds. If you're a person on the heavier side, you know that finding a great electric wheelchair can be a bit more difficult for you than for the average person. Well, truly look no further. The Centire Medforza D09 Deluxe is the one. The suspension makes driving outside very comfortable across many different terrains and inclines. Even indoors, this electric wheelchair is really nimble and mobile, even small doors are easy to get through. Just like others on this list, this wheelchair is foldable, compact, and relatively light, but its biggest benefits truly are its build quality, its ability to handle heavyweights, and its 2 powerful motors and long-lasting batteries that make handling those heavyweights trivial. That's not to say the Centire Medforza D09 Deluxe doesn't have its drawbacks. Sometimes the controls can feel a bit jumpy, and because the tires are solid, they can leave marks on indoor surfaces. However, we wouldn't let these things hold you back. The Centire Medforza D09 is a really great, sturdy, reliable machine, and we'd imagine that's why it has an average of 4.7 stars across 136 customer reviews on Amazon. Centire Medforza D09 Deluxe key features. Incredible build quality, sturdy, reliable, premium. Supports users up to 396 pounds. Foldable, will fit in the boot of a car. Has under-seat storage built in. Weighs 58.5 pounds including battery. Smart suspension makes for a smooth journey across rough terrains. Number 3. Inuvo Electric Power Wheelchair. The Inuvo Electric Power Wheelchair is an extremely lightweight chair for an electric model, and it opens up a range of travel possibilities for active seniors. At only 18 pounds, it's easy to carry and to lift in and out of vehicles. It can climb on the national standard of a 6-degree incline and has high tread tires to give you enhanced mobility. It's both airport and airplane safe. Combined with the lightweight, foldable features of this model, its airplane friendliness makes it one of our favorites for travel. There is also a 1-year warranty on the joystick, controller, and motor. The braking is secure, and with only a tiny bit of a sluggish start, it gets moving up to a solid walking pace. The beauty of this lightweight wheelchair is that it has a higher weight capacity than we often see with standard chairs. This makes it a sturdier option for more individuals, which we love. With almost 0 negative ratings, this is our favorite lightweight electric wheelchair. Pros. Super lightweight. Antibacterial, removable, and washable upholstery. Swing-away footrests. Comes assembled. Aircraft-grade aluminum. Well rated by customers. FDA approved. Number 4. Ellincker Electric Wheelchair. This wheelchair has the compact frame and comfortable seat you need to use around the house each day. You can go all through the house, from the kitchen to the bathroom, safely and without worrying about getting stuck. If you're more of a homebody and bulky electric wheelchairs seem like more of a hassle than a benefit, the Ellincker 2020 is for you. It may be great for indoor use, but this wheelchair has the performance needed to be safe outside, too. It would be a bit foolish to opt for an electric wheelchair that is completely useless outside the home. You never know when you may need to take it outdoors. It can take you up to 15 miles on a single charge and has tough honeycomb wheels that provide lots of stability and shock absorption. Of course, these features also come in handy while you're at home. It's just that the Ellincker 2020 is more versatile than an at-home-only wheelchair. This electric wheelchair has one feature that makes it a great option for using for hours at a time and may end up being more comfortable than your couch at home. An ergonomic headrest. This feature keeps your head and neck still and optimally supported all day, every day. All things considered, this lightweight, highly maneuverable electric wheelchair will serve you in your home efficiently for years. Pros: easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Ergonomic headrest for head and neck protection. Comfortable foam seat can keep you feeling good for hours. Up to 15 miles on a charge. Batteries fully charge in under 6 hours. Number 5. Forsomic Voyager R2 electric wheelchair. The Forsomic Voyager R2 is built for travel. It's ultra-portable, very mobile, and weighs only 43 pounds without the battery. Perhaps the lightest electric wheelchair on the market, this really is one of the best options for airplanes, cruise ships, or any type of travel. However, getting the machine down to the size didn't come without some sacrifices, and so the Forsomic Voyager R2 may not be the best electric wheelchair to use as your daily driver. Quality of life issues such as the footrest not being detachable and a flimsy battery charging plug can get annoying. However, this electric wheelchair folds incredibly easily, making it quick and seamless to move from place to place. The battery lasts for a very long time, and the arms rotate out, making the chair easy to get in and out of. But please bear in mind that one of the reasons the battery lasts so long is because this chair doesn't put out a huge amount of power. If you're hoping to cross grassy terrain, you probably won't have much luck. However, if you're using it in an airport or on public transport, this is definitely our top recommendation. With an average of 4.4 stars across 46 Amazon reviews, we understand why this electric wheelchair is Amazon's choice. Although we've got to say, we're not a huge fan of the yellow. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.